Попробуйте потом. So this is my favorite Chechen national food.
Hingalsh.
Hingalsh. This is dog with pumpkin.
It's like a pancake.
Chechnya.
Chechnya.
You like it? Marsh Dogel and welcome to my channel. I'm Chechen, currently living in Alanya in the province of the city Antalya in Turkey. Today we have here some of my favorite Chechen national food. This is Hingalsh in this food container here. We're gonna ask strangers to try this food out and rate this food from 1 to 10 if they like it or not. I mean, I'm curious because this is my favorite food in Chechnya, one of my favorite, and I'm curious how strangers will react. So now we're just walking and looking for strangers, like to feed them. Excuse me, can I ask one question? Like just 1 minute deal. Where are you from?
I'm from Sweden.
Australia?
Sweden.
Ah, from Sweden. Okay. So, have you ever tried Chechen food?
No, not really.
Okay, this is my favorite Chechen national food. Would you like to try?
Yeah, sure.
Maybe you can try. I have napkins, I mean, if you'd like it.
Yeah, it's good.
Does it taste?
Yeah, it's good, it's good.
Rate
Like-
from 1 to 10.
It's like pretty much like pancakes, so I don't know, 7. I'm not that much into sweets, so
7.
yeah.
Excuse me, sir. Can I bother like for 1 minute?
Deutsch.
Deutsch? Ja, ich spreche auch Deutsch. Kommen Sie aus Deutschland? Aus Deutschland?
Ja.
Okay, wir haben hier von Tschetschen, also tschetschenisches nationalisches Essen, einer von meinen Lieblingsten, und würde mich freuen, wenn ihr es probieren würdet. Das ist, ich weiß nicht, wie es auf Deutsch ist, also es ist...
Fladenbrot. Pfannekuchen.
Wie?
Pfannekuchen.
Ja, irgendwie vielleicht schon.
Ja, Pfanne.
Also was würden Sie denn geben, von 1 bis 10?
7.
7? Passt schon.
Nee, ist gut, ist lecker.
Ja?
Ja. Na, als Pfannekuchen sogar 8. Ne?
Okay. Wo genau leben Sie in Deutschland?
Wuppertal.
Wo?
Wuppertal.
Also,
Ist bei Düsseldorf.
ach so, bei Düsseldorf, okay. Schönen Tag Ihnen. Wollen Sie noch mehr?
Nee, danke. Alles lecker.
Dankeschön. Вот и встретил первого немца. Okay, where are you from, guys?
Russia.
From Russia?
Yeah.
But I'm from Ukraine, I'm going
Окей,
in
ладно,
Russia.
тогда будем на русском.
Отлично.
Супер.
It's a
Короче, у нас здесь национальная чеченская еда, называется Hingalsh.
Мы были в Чечне, мы были в этом Грозном.
Да ладно?
Только мы Жижигалнаш или Чепалкш нам не достался. Мы
Чепалкш не достались,
не
да?
досталось, да, на Беркате мы были, там уже закрывался, там уже не было.
Значит, Hingalsh тоже не достались.
Наверное, нет, это с тыквой, да?
Да, это с тыквой.
Пробую, я тыкву просто не люблю.
Да, давайте
Я просто
попробуем.
бок болит уже. Ну ладно, я люблю такое.
Давайте.
Целую брать?
Да. Попробуйте, потом скажете.
Да, просто я тыкву просто не люблю.
Я такое люблю. Я такое дома тоже делаю.
Да? Именно такое?
Нет, похоже, но с лавашом.
Не, сладенько, вкусно, но Жижигалнаш лучше.
Hingalsh это типа чисто мужское такое.
Очень вкусно, мне нравится такое. Я
И
вообще
как,
такое люблю.
как оцените от 1 до 10? Что?
10, я хуже готовлю.
Серьезно?
Да.
Круто. И украинцев встретили, и русских одновременно. Excuse me, can I bother you for 1 minute?
It depends what it's about.
So we make a video about Chechen national food. Do you know anything about Chechnya? Okay,
You can ask her, she knows everything.
No, I don't even know about this one.
about Chechnya, you never heard?
You want to make a video?
Yeah, so this is my favorite Chechen national food. I
Ah.
wanted to try it and rate from 1 to 10. So this is dough with pumpkin inside. So it's like bit sweet.
Don't tell her.
Just try.
You shouldn't tell her what it's like. She's captivated.
Varför ska jag prova?
It's salted.
Okay,
No, you have to
Okay,
try.
I mean you can
All of us
try
can
it.
try it.
Yeah.
but can I have just a very small piece? I can
Okay,
take,
as you like.
Or it's like this one? Yes, okay.
Yeah.
So I have to rate it.
Yeah, but wait, you have to try it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can share one. Yes, we can share.
All right.
Yes, because we have to have dinner after. We will be full. Okay. Vill du smaka?
Får jag smaka? Men den där!
Det är gott.
It's nice. It's very nice. It's
You
very
like it?
sweet.
I've been eating the bread before.
It's very sweet,
Yeah.
but in the same time, it's very like.
Pumpkin.
No, it's pumpkin. The sweetness of the pumpkin is the pumpkin. Yes.
Yeah.
Now, but you're recording this.
Yeah. So we're making video about how the foreigners like our Chechen national food.
Oh, this is amazing! Oh my god, this is
No.
the best.
No, you just you just have to say it
No,
how
it's
it
nice.
is.
It's very nice. It's
Where,
very nice.
where are you from?
Sweden.
Sweden.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I will give it like an
Do you want to try it?
8? Oh, that's fair enough.
No, you have to try it. Come on, you have to try it.
No, you
Come on. No, you.
Oh, we have one more actually.
Yeah, you have to
Come on, try.
it.
Okay.
But it has got a lot of butter. Is it butter?
Yeah, there's
I
butter.
The butter as well.
It's called Hingalsh. Hingalsh.
Hingalsh. Hingalsh.
Yeah.
Hingalsh.
In Chechen language.
Hingalsh.
Hingalsh.
Pringles.
Hingalsh. Yeah.
Like Pringles, shingles.
No,
It's
not
very
like
nice.
that.
It's very buttery. It's very sweet, but at the same time very rich.
Mm-hmm.
It's very nice.
Did you try it?
You like it?
Yeah.
What does it taste like?
Good.
Good, yeah?
You like it?
So now you're happy you tried it.
Everybody likes it.
Yeah.
Do you make this?
Huh?
You make this?
If I like this?
No.
You make this.
You cook this?
No, of course not. I'm not a cooker, so my relatives, so my family members.
Okay.
So we're living like together.
Can I have some paper?
Yeah, of course.
But it's still hot. I will share it.
Okay. How do you rate it from 1 to 10?
I think about 9.
9. Wow,
Yes.
that's very much.
My daughter, she said
That's
9
good.
as well.
Yeah. Did you say that? Or just she said it?
I said it.
Okay, that's your opinion.
I
Okay.
would say it's 1. No, I'm joking.
Ah.
I'm joking.
Okay.
10 of 10. Very nice.
10 of 10.
10 of 10.
If I would go to a restaurant, and I would definitely order it.
Yes.
So that's so nice. So if
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
maybe someday you come to Chechnya,
Who knows?
who knows?
Who knows? Maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Where you guys from?
We're from Lithuania.
Lithuania. Oh, okay, that's nice. We have just here Chechen national food. I would like you to try. Chechnya.
Chechnya.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, test.
Huh?
Yeah, cook chef.
Oh yeah. Okay. This is dough with pumpkin.
Go one. Test. Yes, okay.
How would you rate it? 1 to 10.
Yeah, yes, okay. Çiğ
Which language is it?
You speak English?
Yeah, I speak English.
Sehr gut. Yeah.
Sehr gut. Sprechen Sie Deutsch? Where do you come from?
Come from?
Excuse me. Ma'am, can I bother you for 1 minute?
Turken.
Turk?
Turken.
Do you understand? So, this is Chechen national food.
Evet.
Chechen yemeği.
Çeçen yemeği. Evet.
I want you to try it and say if you like or not. So just
Yani iyi mi kötü mü olduğunu mu?
it's
Tamam bakalım. Ama
is she confused?
içinde ne var? Bunun içinde ne var?
Ha?
Bu nedir? Turuncu.
Tykva.
Ne?
Tykva.
Güzel.
Мне нужно пробовать это.
Tatlı.
Do you like it?
Tatlı değil mi?
This is Chechen food. Chechenistan.
Çeçenistan
Yes,
yemeği.
yes.
Beğendim, güzel. Elinize sağlık.
Güzel. Niye yaptınız bunu? Bir test mi bu? Ne?
Зачем вы это делаете? Типа, вы тест проводите? Да. Тестируем, насколько людям нравится наша еда.
Nasıl cemaat beğenir bu yemeği?
Ha, bunu halk beğenir mi? Bence güzel, yenebilir yani. Ben beğendim. Güzel.
Sıfırdan 10'a kadar kaç verirsin?
Ne diyelim? Yani güzel bence 8-9 diyelim.
8-9. Oh.
Güzel.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Size sağlık.
You can take napkin.
Peçete, peki. Teşekkürler, sağ olun.
Excuse me. Can I bother you for 1 minute?
No.
It depends.
Okay, we have
time.
Okay, this is Chechen national food. I want you to try this food and rate.
From where?
Chechnya.
Chechnya.
Yeah. Where you come from?
Denmark.
Denmark. Oh, great. So, this is my favorite Chechen national food. I want you to try it and rate from 1 to 10.
Chechnya.
Yeah, this is dog with pumpkin.
It's like a pancake.
Maybe.
What?
Try it. No? You don't? Does it taste?
What's in it? What is it in it?
Pumpkin.
It's pumpkin?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is pumpkin.
Hvad er den hedder? Er den gul?
Græsker.
Er den gul? Græsker, hvad er den hedder?
Græsker.
Butter? Nej, det er ikke butter. Nej. Okay. It's fine. I like it.
Okay, what will you give from 1 to 10?
11.
Okay, let's be honest.
Yeah, but it depends what it is for. It is for a snack.
It's for you can eat it with tea. Like you drink tea and you can eat it.
Yeah, that's like a snack.
Yeah, like a snack.
Very good.
Yeah. Don't you want to try it?
From 1 to 10? No, I say 11.
Okay,
It's okay. It's fine.
Nu skal du være seriøs.
Have you ever? Do you know anything about Chechnya? No.
Very little.
Yeah.
Very little.
Okay.
But you look nice.
Yeah. Thank you. Okay. Have a nice evening. Can I bother you for 1 minute?
Okay.
Where are you from?
I'm from Russia.
You're from Russia. Окей, ладно, тогда вы не по-русски. Короче, у меня здесь одна из моих любимых чеченских блюд. Я сам из Чечни. Вот называется Hingalsh. Ты ел такое?
Нет, никогда не ел.
Вообще что-либо чеченское ел? Кавказское?
Да.
Да, что пробовал?
Ну, в Грузии был.
В Грузии, да?
Да.
Ага, ладно. Давай попробуй и оцени от 1 до 10, да, это. Да, не пожалеешь. Это на самом деле очень просто готовится, тесто с тыквой, ну, хорошо готовят, очень вкусно. Так, по чесноку можешь сказать.
8.
8. Справедливо. Понравилось?
Да, понравилось.
Вот салфетка. So guys, hope you like this video as much as we loved making this video. And you know, it was actually very strange. It was like, you know, approaching people who have no idea about Chechnya, about Chechen food, approaching them and letting them try some of my favorite Chechen national food. It was something new. I think not even for me, I think even for the whole YouTube. No one has ever done something like that. But the most fun thing is that it's actually not that fun. It's a big issue. It's very hard to find people with European appearance who are not from Russia. Like almost everyone we were approaching, when we approached them, we realized that they're from Russia. But like we needed people outside from Russia, because like Russia is not that foreign. We needed some people who are like far away from our republic, and like the goal was like that. And that's why it was very hard to find European European people, or if you like this video, I think you know what to do, but still I will remind you, click on like button, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you ever tried Hingalsh, or would you ever try Hingalsh? Put your answer in the comment section. So, hadi köy, see you in the next videos.